Welcome to SWFT Blockchain, your cross-chain platform. In this video, you'll learn the basics to profit through arbitrage. So let's get started. First, pick a cryptocurrency you want as a parameter. This is the token you will sell initially. Your goal is to trade back to it at the end so you can know exactly how much you profited. We'll use SWFT Coin. Next, check the market section of the app. Remember that the industry shows high volatility, and this is an exercise of speculation. With this in mind, you can still observe a few things that may lead to profit. For example, use the sorting feature to spot the best token for the process. That is, sort by price or volume, and look for the one with the biggest price decrease among the top results, as chances are that this one is going to regain value sooner. According to this criteria, we will select USDT this time. Now, we'll go to the exchange page to transfer some SWFT coin into USDT. Done! Now, we just wait while the arbitrage magic happens. That is, while USDT's price increases in comparison to SWFT coins. In the meantime, you may check the market section again for other arbitrage opportunities. The goal of this transaction was to make a profit of 200 SWFT coins. Once we get it, we trade it back. You may now visit your transaction history to check how much exactly you've profited. As you can see here, the difference is above 200 SWFT coins. Thank you for watching. Start arbitraging on SWFT today and share your results with us. See you soon!